look at you now, you're alive. Oh, look at you now, you're alright. When the nights are cold but the world's on fire and you're scared to...
Welcome back to the RPG Dungeon Adventure, and we're going to go ahead and pick up where we left off. Didn't do any updates since the last time, so we're just going to pick up straight away from where we were. What we've been doing is we've been developing a sort of D&D based RPG that is more of a dungeon crawler and with a kind of thematical Pokemon style when it comes to combat. So what we've done so far is we've developed this into a full-blown character development. Select race, class, kind of like a D&D adventure. Get your crew together. I've got 7 characters because I've been doing some testing with them and having some friends do some testing as well. I've got full-blown character sheets where you can get your XP, you can see your stats, you can see your equipment. Still got some edits to do here, but we're looking pretty good so far. And then special attacks and spells, which he has more special attacks than he should, because when I was fixing it, I hadn't created a limit on special attacks so you can learn yet. And so he had way too many than he should. But Boom and Brendog have the limit they're supposed to have. And then I've got the spellcasters who have their spells. And it looks like we have a limit right here on how many you can learn. But if I were to forget one, so let's say I forget, Mage Armor is so good. Let's say I forget Burning Hands. Now I have a new spell memory I can have, or a slot where I can have another. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, a couple of edits we need to make from my notes as well. Let's pull that up. Name error for spells, so we had an issue 1 on combat, and we need the better descriptions for the detail page. Hold person literally just says level 2 control. Let's not auto learn anything. Instead, they all go into the spell book, and then you have to prepare your spells. And that way, let's show available spells to learn as character level plus casting level. So level 3 character has 3 plus 2 prepared spells, so 5. Level 4 has 4, 6, and then level 5 has 8, etc. So basically, it'll be whatever casting level you are. So the level of spell you can cast plus your character level is how many spells you can have prepared. I think that's a great way to look at it. And then what we'll do is we will fix the combat sequence as well. So let's go ahead and I just want to do a quick thing. Shield. I mean, there's some pretty good spells. I might come through and add some more just because, you know, it's tough. But with your spell slots having 4, 2, and 1, loading up on those first level spells is pretty important. So we'll keep another Burning Hands, go back to character. And back to town. I'm going to show you quick what's happening in the fight. So I've gotten it down to where you have your special attacks over here, your attacks over here, and use items down here. We have a tracking for your actions for your special attacks. Pokemon thematic kind of things. We have your hero here, your enemies here, initiative order here, combat log here. So really looking pretty strong. I want to use Poison Blade on the Mimic. And this is the next attack poisons enemy. They take character level poison damage for 3 rounds, or over 3 turns. This is pretty cool because I believe he's going to take my weapon damage plus poison damage if I hit. Oh, cool. It hits. So weapon damage, 8 damage. They will take 4 poison damage per turn. And that's kind of cool. It's kind of a neat little trick. And the reason why I did those special attacks, again, if you haven't been watching in the past, is because I wanted something that will be help them kind of grow as they progress in their levels, just like the spellcasters, since we don't have multiple attacks per round, like D&D 5e and Pathfinder and such. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and pick it up where we left off here, and we're going to test this out. So we're going to do Fireball, and we'll hit the Mimic, and there's our error. So we're going to go ahead and go back here. I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to go ahead and take this here. So let's first of all let's just fix the spells. Name error for spells. Is that spell occurring? Oh, it's 2 C's. Actually, let me just verify that too. Because if we can do Burning Hands, mimic. Okay, so all spells, not just. I just hope we have enough room in this conversation to continue, so we can finish up the spell design. And I like to use Claude Sonnet for its very strong coding engine. But this entire section. All right, so we found that section. Replace the entire section with just this. Let me just verify. I want to be very specific. Okay, so it's telling me the entire piece. It starts like this and goes on for many lines. All of the spell pieces. Oh, wow. Replace it all with just these 11 lines. That is a lot. I'm a bit nervous, but I trust Claude. I trust you, Claude. I trust you, Claude. Okay. Okay. Step 2. Other references to step 3. I mean, I guess the best we can do is just go ahead and test it. No. I just don't know if we're seeing the same thing here. So I'm going to give more context. Haha. Burning hands. It works. Okay. Spells look like they're working. Let's just test it out on all of them. Shield of Faith. Let's go with Bless. 2 Venomous. Boom. Brandog and Denox are big damage dealers. Looks like it's working. I really like the layout of this. It's really nice. Mage armor. Oh, I just want to point out that Dennis did 10 damage. That's awesome. Okay. Looking good. I think we're doing okay. So we'll just go ahead and finish up this, and then there is just this little bit of overlap here that I will fix eventually. It's just not super It's just a small thing, and I just don't want to get caught up in it and get down a rabbit hole of style edits. Okay, that looks really good. I'm very happy with that. Looks like everything's functioning properly. So let's delete that. And now let's do this. And this should be a small edit because I think we already have something in place. Wow. Replacing this with all this. So yeah, there's a bit of code there to work on. Is that right? I think I'll just leave it that way. 2 spells at level 1. That's fine. Okay, we'll just leave it that way. Alright. Step 1. Describe a spell effect function. Replace the describe spell effect function with this impure function. You think I need to get rid of all of this? Yeah. Still showing. Oh, blast. You gotta be kidding me. Here we go, guys. Start a new chat. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just am so annoyed by the limit. Give you a couple of these templates. And as you have seen in the past, I have to come in here and start a new conversation with Claude and create context to what I'm working on. Luckily Sonnet 4 is pretty good. And it can usually do a pretty good job with this. So I like to include a couple of these choose spells. Just anything that's kind of related to what I'm doing. I don't know if you'll need it or not. You might just well use the app.py, but I like to make sure he's got the relevant information. Character creation. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and throw this over in the other screen so I can work a bit more quickly on it instead of going back and forth. Character detail, HTML. Okay. Step 3. Step 3. Oh, my God. Hmm. Okay, we're gonna see if this works. It's a lot of changes. I figured it wouldn't. There's just too much going on. Okay, let's see if it works. It's a lot of changes. It's a lot of edits. Okay. Spells. Oh, so this is spells prepared. All right. So now our okay. Okay. Real quick, I'll show you. guide to character spell or character detail page, and I like being able to see burnt spells, what manage spells. Page is broken, syntax, whatever. See, I do like that. It's like, oh, by the way, you actually have to add this to it now, and I didn't think of that before. Okay, we just fixed this, but now let's go ahead and fix it again. Wait, is this the character detail page? Oh, so now I need to go to the manage spells page here, and so I'll add that there. It's kind of funny though. It's like, we just fixed the one thing, so that would make you think that we should also fix this page, but it doesn't always work like that. Good. Manage spells. Unprepare. I like this. Okay. You can prepare 10 total spells. Because I'm level 5. So it's saying in addition. I don't mind that actually. Don't mind that. No spells is spell. What does that mean? Okay. All right, let's see if we can finish this real quick before I gotta get off. Okay, I'm gonna bring this back over here. Bring this up here. I like the idea of what they're doing, but I mean, if you already know the spells, I don't want to have to learn them into the spell book. It just seems a little redundant. So we're going to get rid of that, and we're going to just have it all automatically go into the spell book, and then you can prepare it into your prepared spells, which will be your level, character level, plus casting level. Casting level is the level of spells you can cast. So level 4 can cast level 2 spells. Level 3 can cast level 2 spells. But you get one more prepared spell at level 4 because you're one level higher character level. So let's go in here and find these functions. Fix this one here. Replace it with this. I thought that looked fishy to me, so I'm glad that we were able to fix that. Manage spells. Find the entire manage spells. Learn spells. Down to its closing div, which is right here, and replace it. Oh, find the entire section and delete. Okay, so delete all of this learn spells piece. Right there. Cool. Start saving that. Find the function here. In my app.py, go here, boom, and replace it with this. This one moves. So should work now. Let's go and pull this up. Reload. Aim. Continue adventure. Maybe I should put a button that says return to start or something. That'd be really easy. Okay, I like that. It shows that. Go to manage spells. Spell book, no spell, no spell book. Unprepare. Okay. Now showing those spells in spell book, probably because they were being stored in the learn new spell. So for learning spells. Okay. It's funny, I think Claude will eventually get mad at me if I keep just entering all these requests after requests after requests. It's kind of funny that way. He's like, I gotta shut down for a little bit. You're using up too much of the atmosphere. Find the manage spell book. Okay. Now find and delete these related routes. This is a lot of code we're deleting, so I really hope that they know what they're doing here. Claude, I hope you don't screw me over right now. Force spellbook population. Find app management index function spell population beginning up. So we're gonna find this piece and replace it. I think we just deleted that though. Let me double check here. No, it's not over. Replace entire function with this. Okay. Try this. Add new routes. So let's just go right after this right here. There we go. Control save. This will fix both population level. I'm going to use it management. Okay. Control save again, and let's go ahead and bring up back to character. Yeah, actually, it would be really nice. Just go to home page. Something will probably be broken, but that's okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 spells. He's level 5. He should be able to have more. I think I unlearned one maybe. So manage spells. I can get in here. Spellbook looks good. I can currently get 8 spells. So let's go ahead and try learning a couple. I like to have magic missile. And let's do a mage armor. It's really good too. Okay. Then let's see if I can unlearn. Let's unlearn Burning Hands. I'll prepare, I should say. Okay. And I'll re-prepare that. Sweet, that looks good. Back to character. I am very happy with that. Back to town. Go ahead and save game. Everything's working. Priest. Manage spells. I should have 6 spells because he is level 4. So let's go ahead and go with. Okay, there's no description on these. So, excellent. But we still need descriptions. Are there duplicates or an override somewhere over the mountain? I like that blast weapon. I think it's kind of cool. The functionality of adding extra damage is pretty neat. Save that. Let's go ahead and find this section here. Manage spells. And manage spells replace the spell description lines with this more explicit version. So I believe the spell description line is right here. Let's go ahead and add that. Like so. Okay, and then the other one is right here. Okay, control save. Okay, let's go ahead and go. What was it? That wasn't working. Oh yeah, the descriptions. Like squirrel, old person. Okay. Yes. But we need descriptions, lol. Ah, okay. Let's go here. Let's finish the descriptions because it looks like we actually didn't have the descriptions finished, which would make a lot of sense. Look, there we are. Let's see. Whole person, no, it has that there. It shows it. That's what's frustrating. It did have a description already. Maybe there is an override or old code that I haven't fixed. No way. That was the problem. Okay. Good job. Good job, Dennis. Maybe. So now this needs to move. This way like that, I believe. Yes. Control C. Okay, we should be good now. I'm really good at this, I swear. Go back in here. RPG game, continue adventure. Okay, if that's it, then we are in freaking business. Boom. Okay, now let's go check it on combat just to double check. Collect treasure. Heck yeah, I like free treasure. I really like that function actually. That's funny. Great sword, battle axe, rapier. Okay, we're looking good. Good, 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 good. Wand. Good, 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 good. Nice. Oh man, I am so freaking pleased with. I always gotta finish. I'm like, might as well get the XP and the loot while I'm in here, right? Such a completionist. Oh my gosh. Plus, like, I need to probably bump up some difficulty levels on the enemies. The wilderness is just a little bit too easy sometimes. Wow, unless I can't hit them. This is hilarious. Okay, continue. I might go in and edit some of these enemies to just be a little bit tougher. Like, I feel like I hardly ever get hit. Like, look, maybe I hit twice in all that combat. That was a lot of rounds. I guess that was not a lot of rounds. There's a lot of turns for these guys. So, okay, well, that's what we did today. That was awesome. I'm super pleased with that. We have our spell functionality, special ability functionality, character detail page is showing, the spell book is showing, special ability are showing. We just have some little pieces for some on the combat arena. Not the arena itself, actually, the combat log, as well as the combat actions, but overlap on some of the details there, but I'm not too concerned about that. I'm a lot more concerned about a couple of things that happen here that I want to fix. So let's get rid of this. Good job. Go Claude. And then I think adding a button there would be nice. I have these ideas. The unequip button. Okay. That's probably something we need to look at. Quest loot. Yes, we do that. Actions on the left, so I don't have to scroll. I disagree. Now I think I like how the layout. For maybe down the road, I think I like the layout right now. Larger price and general increase difficulty. Mini boss, yes. Good symbols for potions and combat. Change the use item show. Okay, we actually fixed it already, so let's get rid of that. Add a quick button for trinkets.
You now, you're alive. Oh, look at you now. You're alright. When the nights are cold.